AI wall repairing videos are going absolutely insane on social media right now. And here is the most impressive thing about this niche. Nobody watching these videos can tell for even a single second that they were created using AI. The realism is on a completely different level. And look at this Instagram page. 301,000 followers, built purely by posting this one exact style of content. And some of their videos are already sitting at 174 million, 165 million, and 83.4 million views. No time wasted. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. Head straight to the description below and open the detailed master prompt file I have already written for you. Copy the entire prompt carefully from start to finish without missing a single word. Now head over to Google Flow and select the video option from the top. Click on Ingredients, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, choose OmniFlash as your video model, and set your video duration to 10 seconds. Make sure to set your outputs to more than one so you have extra results to pick the very best from. Now paste the full prompt directly into the field and scroll to the very beginning of the prompt. Right here, you will find the clearly marked color section. Enter your desired wall color right next to it exactly like this. That one small detail is what makes every video feel unique, fresh, and completely different from the last one. Once your wall color is in place, hit generate, and within just a couple of seconds, your viral AI wall repairing video will be completely finished and sitting right in front of you, ready to post. Now, let's watch the result together. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they go. And by the way, it's been almost a year since I started this channel and I've uploaded nearly 100 videos, but unfortunately YouTube still hasn't supported my channel the way I hoped it would. If you want to support me, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Your support can help me achieve my goal of monetizing this channel before the 1st of February 2027. I also have a complete 5-month YouTube monetization strategy that I'm following to reach this goal. If you want to see that strategy too, click on the video you see on the screen right now. I'll see you there.